Today one of my group member asked, "Does anyone know what is the most profitable strategy in the world right now?" Then I answered, EA must do those 3 tasks to make the most profit. Detect trend or ranging. Check market structure. Avoid fundamental impact. EA is hard to do the 3 tasks above. Traders who trade manually can do the 3 tasks. Top 3 traders on all brokers like Robo Forex, FBS, TriumphFX, XM, IC markets do the 3 tasks to make profit monthly and yearly consistently. So I'm going to find the best traders from all different brokers. Then we copy trades from all the best traders in the world to make profit together. Now let's go to Robo Forex to check the top 3 traders. I check which trader is more safe by looking at the account age, and the drawdown percent. Example, this trader is just 32 days old, it is not safe. We will find trader with at least 6 months old, 180 days. 106 days old trader is not qualify as our requirement 180 days. Okay, this trader 259 days old is good. 699 days old is even better. Let's check 259 days old trader's performance first. Total grow 2,500% profit. Max drawdown is 82%. It is too risky. Very bad. Account balance keep increasing. Profit keep increasing. Account equity keep increasing. Let's check max drawdown. This year February the drawdown is 82%. Too risky. So we are not going to copy trade this trader. Now we go look for other better trader. The 699 days old trader's profit graph keep increasing. Let's check the details. This trader take 50% profit sharing from investors. It is too much. Total grow 563% profit. Max drawdown is 100%. So I think he burned this account before, then he top up money again. Let's check the equity fall. Let's check the drawdown. Year 2020 June drawdown 100% account burned. And mini time drawdown 40%. It is too risky. We are not going to copy trade this traders. Seem Robo Forex don't have good traders. Let's go check if TriumphFX has any good trader. My hubby joined TriumphFX since year 2017. It has been 5 years. So it proved that TriumphFX is not Ponzi scheme. Because Ponzi scheme will shut down company in 2 to 3 years. Ponzi scheme can't survive more than 3 years. Now let's find if there is any good traders on TriumphFX. There are many traders on the list. Let's check the first trader named DS Trader. The fund is so big, $13,981,800 US. Let's find how much drawdown percent of this trader. Okay, I cannot find the drawdown percent. TrueFX website didn't show the drawdown percent of trader. So I need go get the trader's MT4 account investor password to check the drawdown percent. Here I found the investor password of a trader named EOB Infinity. Log into investor password on mobile MT4 app. The account equity is $52,000. 1 week profit is $1,700. 1 month profit is $7,400. Withdrawed $9,500. Let's check longer history. Deposit $50,000. Profit $107,000. Withdraw $105,000. Looks good. Average only 1 loss out of 10 trades. It is 90% accuracy. Withdraw $5,000 profit every time. Now let's check the max drawdown of this account. To check the drawdown, we need to log in the MT4 account on computer MT4 software. It is TrueFX Life account. Trader account name EOB Infinity PAM. Account equity $52,000. Go to account history. Select all history. This trader start trading since year 2020 August. Today is year 2022 April. So it is about 3 years old. It is very good that the trader can make profit consistently for many years. Deposit $50,000. Profit $107,000. Withdrawed $105,000. Right click. Save as detailed report. See profit keep increased by about 50 trades, then withdrawed profit. So account balance drop when withdrawed out the profit. Profit increased, then withdrawed. Profit increased, then withdrawed. Repeat and repeat again. Max drawdown is 1.69% only. 3 years trading max drawdown is just 1.69%. Really impressive. Very good. EOB Trader has Telegram channel. Their channel has 4,000 subscribers, so we know this trader is very famous. Their channel was started on year 2020. It is around 2 years already. The trader always show the real life trading. So we know it is real trading but not money game and not Ponzi scheme. They always have Zoom meeting to teach new members too. Another real life trading video. Consistent profit every month, average 12% profit monthly. Another real life trading video. Another real life trading video. One loss and 3 profit. They have SL max 1% loss per trade. I saw 2 consecutive loss, total 1.6% drawdown for 3 years trading. It is very safe. Winning rate 80%. I have put all details and information of EOB Trader onto my website www.toto180.com/eob.php. Trading profit from year 2019 until today 2022. It makes more than 120% profit per year. Trader take 40% profit sharing. Investor take 60% profit. 1 year grow 151% profit. Compound profit to capital grow 1,500% profit for 3 years. 1% stop loss per trade. Manual trade. Avoid fundamental impact. No overnight trade. Non-dealing desk broker. Avoid market maker. No charge swap fee. Girl-Forex broker company and exhibition events. Girl-Forex broker has many licenses on many countries. All benefits of using Girl-Forex broker. Your fund is safe, protected by license and regulation parties. Girl-Forex broker partnership with many trusted banks as liquidity providers. Girl-Forex broker won many awards. The step-by-step to copy trade from this EOB trader. First, you need to register a new account. Then you upload your KYC. Then you deposit money. Then you select EOB trader. Then you check your profit. And withdraw your profit when you are satisfied with the profit. Here are some explanation and screenshot of the trader MT4 trading records. If you are interested to copy trade from this EOB trader, you may follow step by step from this PDF file, which teaching you how to register account, how to check profit, how to withdraw profit. Recap the 8 reasons I trust this fund manager. 1. Stop loss at only 1% capital per trade. Max drawdown is 1.6% only. 2. Not martingale lot size. 3. Close all trades within a day. 4. Their Telegram channel started since year 2020, been 2 years. 5. Their Telegram show live trading video. 6. They trade on trusted broker Triumph-FX, which my hubby joined since year 2017. 7. Has investor password. 8. Investor password show they withdraw profit amount 2 times more than capital. Capital $50,000. Withdraw $105,000. If you are interested to copy trade this good trader, follow instruction steps on my PDF file. Thanks for watching.